broccoli just holds the water on the leaves. Isn't that amazing? Broccoli's really looking good. Got some dill coming up. Yes, this is December. Chamomile and dill. And some cilantro. Broccoli hasn't flowered yet, but it sure is pretty looking. I'm excited to have some dill too. I've never successfully grown dill, so this is new for me. But I love having fresh dill. I like to put it in ham salad and chicken salad. So hopefully we'll be getting some broccoli soon. I got my other beds. I'm amending the soil in them. So there's not really anything growing in there except this last one. And forgive my messiness. I haven't got out here and cleaned up the leaves. I've been getting some as we go along. I have some Brussels sprouts. Some of them are coming up. And some of my spinach. I'm mainly growing the spinach for the chickens because they like spinach. Kevin's not wild about spinach. I had these unusual mushrooms come up. I think they're called stinkhorn eggs. So I'll probably wind up getting rid of them. But that just means that I have some really healthy soil mix there. This was my potato bed and I dug them up. I had a few. Didn't do real good, I think, because we have limited sun on here, considering moving them. I did take up some of my peppers, and as soon as I get my greenhouse up, I'm going to try to overwinter them. And I'm about to get rid of these planters because they are pretty much destroyed. They're not pressure treated or chemically treated, so they're gonna rot. That one too. And then I'll be getting 2 more like those. This is my volunteer tomato plant that came up, and I put it over here, and yes, I'm getting blooms and tomatoes in December. There's my figs. I need to put them out. And my comfrey. And there's some lemongrass, rosemary. Here are my girls. They think they're getting treats. It's not treat time yet. I lost my rooster. I was heartbroken. Asha's been with me since I got the chickens. So I was a little bit devastated. I was hoping to hatch some eggs out. I still may try. They should be still fertilized. You can see they follow me as long as I'm over on the other side of the fence, but they won't let me pick them up. I can pick some of them, a couple of them up. I picked up Ginger's more docile than any of them. There's Ginger and Pepper and Dixie and Lucy and Ethel. in the midst of cleaning up my backyard. So you can see we cleared out a lot of stuff. My bee stuff was still on a trailer that I bought. And here are my bees. And yeah, they're out foraging. They were out yesterday and it was 46 degrees. So I'm flying around. I'm finding something. The newspaper on there is where I was feeding them sugar to keep them strong through the winter time. Didn't harvest any honey. And yes, those boxes are full of bees. The 3 lower boxes on that one and the 2 lower boxes on there. The top boxes are just for feeding, but they are full of bees. Doing good. I need to get in them and clean up out here. They're going to be moved eventually to that part of the property. So stay tuned and see how that goes. Probably once it gets cooler and they go stay more in the hives. Looking into making myself a Merry Christmas and getting a hive lifter. I'm getting too old and fat to lift these things up because they're heavy. They're pretty full of bees and honey and nectar, so they get kind of heavy. But that's my morning walkthrough. Hope you enjoyed it. Tomato plant that I'll probably put in a pot. This is what I'm doing this morning. It's not really velvet cake for Christmas. Isn't it pretty? It'll be good too. I gotta find something to put the chocolate chunk cookies on. Merry Christmas, everybody.